find the z-score for x equals to 80. So I'm going to take x equals to 80 and convert that into z, assuming that it's from a population where the mean is 100 and the standard deviation is 10. So it's either going to be A, that z equals to negative 0.5, or B, z is equals to negative 2, C, z is equals to positive 2, or D, z is equals to negative 20. All right, so I have my score of 80, and I've got a distribution or a population where the mean is 100 and the standard deviation is 10. Now, once again, I'm going to remind you that z-scores measure how far you are from the mean in terms of how many standard deviations you are from the mean. Now, a negative z-score, like we see here in A or B or D, they're all negative. That tells me that my score is below the mean. And 80 definitely is below 100. So it's going to be either A, B, or D. It can't be C because C is showing me a positive z-score. That means that my value of x here is, if I had a positive z-score, that would mean that my value has to be above the mean, and it's not. 80 is not above 100, so I can rule out C right away. But the question is, how many standard deviations am I behind the mean? So we can look at it like this. We could say that 80 is 2 tenths below 100, so my answer is going to be this one here. The answer is going to be B. But we can also just use the Z formula because we have an X score. We're trying to convert it to Z, so that's what the z-score formula does. So we just do 80 minus the mean, which is 100, over the standard deviation, which is 10. This gives me negative 20 over 10. Don't forget that negative, because 80 minus 100 is negative 20. And so this comes out to be negative 2. So again, the answer is B.